you are taking it too personally, and most of the time, it has nothing to do with you. When someone says something rude to us, it hurts. It feels like they have attacked something very fundamental about who we are. And almost instantly, we feel the need to defend ourselves, to attack the other person back. If you look at it from an evolutionary sense, it almost feels like your brain is saying, protect yourself. It kind of feels like a word I. But the reality is, it is not a survival situation. It is psychological. And most of the time, a response comes from a very narrowed perspective. So let's widen that perspective. Because when we do that, we start seeing something very different. When someone behaves rudely, we often see only the foreground, their behavior, their words, their tone. But to really understand something, we have to see the background too, the patterns, the conditions, the inner world that led to that behavior. People don't just act randomly, they carry patterns. Sometimes a person appears rude because they have overly focused on protecting their sense of self, always trying to stay above others. Sometimes it's because they don't feel safe getting emotionally close to someone. So they instead push people away when things get deeper. Sometimes it's emotional overwhelm. They just don't know how to handle what they're feeling, and it spills out onto others. And in such cases, there is simply very little empathy present. These patterns don't come from nowhere, they are shaped over time through childhood experiences, through the environments someone grew up in, through the situations where they were rewarded or punished, and sometimes even through biology. This is how the brain adapts. It learns ways to protect, respond, and survive. But the problem is, even when the life changes, these patterns often do. So when someone behaves in a very insensitive way, it's not just about that particular moment. It's a whole internal pattern playing out, something they carry within themselves. And maybe they are not consciously aware of themselves. The most important part is, it's not just about you or me. Their patterns come to the surface whenever they interact with everyone. It is a response their brain has learned to produce over time. Now, that doesn't mean that their behavior is okay. They're not trying to justify it, but it changes how we interpret it. It is not an attack on your self worth, it is an expression of their own unresolved patterns. And when someone sees that clearly, the need to respond aggressively doesn't arise anymore. You don't need to prove yourself. You can respond calmly, with boundaries, with distance if needed. Because not everything is about you. And realizing that isn't rejection, it is freedom.